I'm very pleased with the class. It's very informative and it's very important to keep in touch, especially when you're a home baker and you're just doing work on your own.
I'm here, and the explanation and the presentation has been amazing, and it's beautifully explained, and everything is very well explained here.
It was a fabulous experience. I was not expecting it to be so very interactive, but we learned all the basics of how to make a cheesecake, and something that was so impossible appeared to be so simple. And the chef was very, very good in answering all our questions.
Oh, it's going on good and it's very well explained and details are given like, step by step.